Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. And I am Shunde Abiola Alikama. And as I have promised that I will be creating a series of videos on how to use digital tools to grow your business. And the last video I created was about using WhatsApp Business app to grow your business, and I want to believe that you have actually done one or two things with that video, and I want to believe that already you have um, taken steps and your customers are already enjoying your use of technology. So today I want to go to something very similar because I discovered that a lot of us have the desire to get contacts of our customers, and instead of you writing it on a sheet of paper, you can actually create a form whereby you get the contact of your um, customers, their phone numbers, their emails, their names. Perhaps you won't just get it casually, or you have a program and you want them to attend. You want to create a form for them. So I'll be running you through how to use Google Forms to get leads or contact of your customers. So that is what we'll be looking at today. So the first thing you need to do, I want to believe that you use an Android phone, and your Android phone has been, synced with your email address. So I want to believe you already have a Gmail address, because I told you that you should go and open a Gmail account because you'll be using it a lot. So you need to download a browser, any browser you feel like, but I advise that you use the Chrome browser. Already I have a Chrome browser. If you don't have a Chrome browser, just go to the Play Store. Just get a Play Store, and let's see if we can. So we just type Chrome. Immediately you type Chrome to bring out a lot of, just type Chrome, search for Chrome. So it will bring a lot of so you can see we have Chrome browser. So it's telling me to update, but I'm not updating it now. So let's just download it. Click on download, and after it's downloaded, just open it up. So the next thing you need to do is, under the address bar, let's say this is the home. Let's go to home now. So under the address bar up, just type forms.google.com. As you can see, it's already brought it out. So let's wait while it loads. So I'll be creating just a simple form to collect the name of my customer, the address of my customer, the phone number, the email, and if my customer will have anything to say to me. So it has already brought out the form for me to start designing. Yeah, I need to state this, that look at it. I already signed into my account, my email account, so that's a good thing and a good way to start. So I need to type the name of my form. So I click on this untitled form. I just save it as my business contacts. That's all I have to say. My business contacts. So I can untitled form again. It has already changed because I've changed that. So it will tell me to write the form description. What is the form about? I'll just write something like, this form this form is designed, this form is designed I don't know why is designed to collect contacts of my customers. So the first question is the type of question. You need to know the type of question. We have the multi-choice question, we have the short answer question, we have the paragraph question, the checkbox question, or the drop box question. So because I want to ask for the name of my client, what I'll pick under this, let me go back there again. Under the multi-choice question is the short answer because I need to collect his name. So I will just write, what is your name? What is your name? Just type it there. Because it's a short question, my client will have to type the question here. Then I have to choose if it's a required, if it's a must. So I will click because it's required, it's a must that I get the person's name. So if the person fails to answer this question, the form will not be collected. So I've done the first step. Let's also create another question. Let's create another question. So that's another question. Let me just give us an example of a multi-choice question. Age brackets. Let me just say age brackets. Age brackets. So since it's a multi-choice, so let me write my multi-choice question. 0 to 18, something like that. So that is my first option. And I have second option, 19 to 40. Then I have another option, 41 to 60. Then I have my another option, which is 60 plus. 60 plus. So, and also is a required question. So I've set the second question. So let's look at another question. Let's collect the phone number of my clients. Let's see if I can get that done. So my question will also be a short answer. A short answer. Short answer. So I will type your phone number. So because the short answer, it's also required because I need the person to provide me with the phone number. So I've done that. I think I put a question mark. I don't know why. Sorry. Yes, required, I know. Yeah. So then I had another question. Right now your email address. Your email address. Sorry. So, of course, it has to be a short answer to and is required. Let me see. Let me add two more forms, two more sections. I also have your location, but this time around I want to do drop down menu, your location. So let me see if I can create a drop down menu of what I've done, or checkbox. Let me create a checkbox menu. So Lagos, if it's Lagos, my client will have to click Lagos. If it is Abeokuta, my client will have to pick Abeokuta. If it is Abuja, let me add Abuja. So if it is Abuja, my client will have to pick Abuja, and like that, and others if it's a place I've not mentioned. So, and it's also required. So the email. So I think all my questions are required. Let me put the last one, which is your full address, your home address in full. In full. This will be a paragraph because it's not a short answer. To be a paragraph whereby the person can give us a full decision. So it might not be a required stuff. So guys, I've succeeded in creating a form. I can decide to add image, a picture to my form to make it, wonderful. Let me see if I have images here that I can use. So let me use this. I hope I can use this. So let me see if I can use this. So that's been selected already. I hope I'll be able to use it. So because of our time, let me just, so I can add videos, I can add audio, I can add videos, I can add images to it. So I've succeeded in creating a form whereby others will fill and they will respond to. So the next thing we are going to do now is this form that I've created can be embedded. I can send this on an email to all of my contacts. If I have a friend I want to send to, for example, let me send it to this email. Yeah, this email. So I have written a message. I'm inviting you to fill out this form. So, and I can include that form in that email. So I can send it to this person. It will be sent already. It has been sent. I can decide to share this link. Do you see that? A link has been created. Let me shorten the link. The link has been shortened. Can you see that? So I can easily copy this link and I can share it, whatever. And I can click on this other icon, which I can embed it into my website. Any website that I have, I can embed this form into that website. So I can click on collect email address. So These are powerful things you can do. I can share it on Facebook, as you have seen. I can share it on Twitter, as you have seen. So I've copied the link. Let me open another browser, another tab. Let me paste the link and see if I can actually fill the form myself. Should be able to fill the form myself. Wow, look at it. This is how the form will look like. So let me fill it myself. So value tout. I am doing this all on my phone. So I don't need a computer to get that done for me. Adesari, my age bracket is between 19 and 40. So my phone number, let me just put some here, 234-111, whatever. Just put a phone number, put an email, something like this. My location, let's say I'm in Abuja. Full address, it's already filled. So then I can just submit. So I've created a form. Can you see that? Wow. That's just how to create a form to get leads, to generate leads and get contacts of your clients or your customers. So towards your next event, are you planning an event and you want people to register? You don't need to worry. Just go, like I went to my browser, I went to forms.google.com and I started creating my form. Quite easily done. So thank you for your time. If this video has been a blessing to you and you would love others, to learn the way you have learned today, kindly share this video. And if you want to be on top of your game, you want me to make other powerful and educative videos like this, I want to beg you, kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you get notified about the new videos that will come up from time to time. You can also follow me on my social media handle. I'm on Facebook, I am on Twitter, and I'm on Instagram and LinkedIn. So just search for Alikama Speak, ALIKAMASPEAKS, Alikama Speaks. I'll be there. Follow me, and you will get value for your time. Thank you, and see you in the next video.